Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off this name password in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to off this name password in your Vivo phone. So guys, you can off it. In this video guys, I will show you how to off this name password in Vivo phone. So let's see. Guys, first of all, open your phone setting to off this name password. After that guys, scroll it and guys click on the security setting guys. The security setting guys, click here. Guys, click on screen lock and enter your password guys. After guys click on first one option guys, no option. So guys delete option, click here. So guys your name password will off in your Vivo phone guys, you can check guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off name password in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will move to next video with new topic. For guys please go and like and subscribe my channel.